Hi, this video is about sales funnels for authors. In my book, this one's set up as a micro publisher. It's called The Hidden Secrets of the Online Gurus. So a website is one thing and a sales funnel is quite another. It's where you capture reader emails, and as opposed to just launching a book out into KDP and Ingram and all those distribution points, sometimes you can set up your own book funnel, sales funnel. You're just using an email marketing system provider. Now, you might be under the impression that you need a whiz-bang website. It's a good thing, but it's not a must-do. So to deliver ebooks and upsell at the early revenue stage, I'd recommend either of these two systems. One is called Systeme.io. It's a budget-friendly sales funnel platform that's super easy to use and includes features for landing page creation, email marketing, of course, online courses if you want a simple one, and it's ideal if you're starting from zero as well. Now, you'll need some place to hold your graphics and make new graphics, and I suggest Canva for that. Kit is a platform for beginner book marketers looking for a straightforward, no-frills marketing system. Now, this advantage of Kit is the creator network, which I like to utilise because they have added lots of new free subscribers to my email list, and also help them out by recommending other creators, as they call them, or authors. I use the newsletter plan on Kit, which is free at the moment. You can use it with automations, but that will cost you around $37 per month. You can do one basic automation on the free plan, and that just means they get, say, 2 emails regarding your whole ethos, introduction, that sort of thing. Now, using an email marketing service, you don't actually attach anything to emails. What you do is, if you've got a free offer, like a lead magnet, say a PDF of 10 pages, then you send them to a page which they can download that PDF from. It's not too hard usually. Then the email newsletter creator relies on using the plus sign in the edit window to add features, that sort of thing. They have things called templates, newsletter templates, where you can choose a style and then just adjust it to suit your colours. It's always useful. But remember that these are low-level programs, so they don't have the fancier templates that the high-level programs have. You can also build a multi-link landing page, which is like a link tree type page, if you know what that is, on Kit. Kit gives you the URL, or in other words, the domain address for people who want to jump onto your newsletter list, whatever you call it, newsletter list, membership, free lead magnet, whatever it is. I usually also have my why down the side of that little page so that people know why I'm here and what I'm about. So I love the Kit Creator Network, but there's also, great things you can do is track opens, track subscribes and unsubscribes, and that sort of thing, and where people are opening the emails in the world. You can give them more of what they want by separating, which is called segregation, and you can use tags instead of lists to separate different interests. So tags will help you send the right emails to the right people who are interested in a particular topic. Whereas the old style was separating into lists, now we just have one list and many tags. So you can show your recommended newsletter as a pre-tick box in the second screen when someone subscribes to another newsletter. Anyway, that's just how it works. Same as Substack, they also do that. So it can be worth the fuss to get subscribers for nil extra work. I like that kind of thing. Thank you.